What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. So in today's video I'm going to be checking out this smartwatch right here. If you are a person who is looking for a neat, small, compact design smartwatch which can use on your everyday wear like going out and so forth, this is just a perfect choice that you can actually choose from. Now the company did send this out to me to do my unboxing and review of, to show you guys this little neat watch right here. So I'm going to show you guys unboxing process. So inside the package right here, you're greeted with the instruction manual. Also inside the package we have the charging cable right here, and it looks something like this. Now this part right here can snap right onto the back of your watch. And right here we have the watch. Very neat. I like that slim looking right there. And behind the back right here you can see just where you can charge it. Charger right here. And right here we have a knob onto the side right here that you can use to navigate through the menu. So you can see things like workout, heart rate, just a normal fitness tracker watch. So you have all the menu system that you can think of which you're going to need for your fitness tracker. So they're not really much of a difference. Of the same features, settings and so forth. So you can swipe across, you can just touch on the screen like this. If you want to change like the screen display, so we have different options right here in which we can choose from. Also, if you're using the app, we have ability to change it, to customize it, different function, more function from the app based on whatever one that you choose. Swipe down to see the menu. Also, you can see right there activity, swipe across, sleep activity, and those are monitoring. They just basically monitor all your health and fitness activity. So you can press this to go back. We can swipe up to see things like notification. So whenever you're connected to your phone, all your message will be displayed right here. So guys, this is the app right here. And if you want to control your smartwatch into your fitting, you can change things like your watch face. If you want to customize it into different style, different pattern, you can actually do it on your watch right here. All right guys, so right now I'm outside and I have on the watch right here. So I have made some step right here with it, and it's actually showing on the watch right now. So I was actually counting the step that I was making, and I would say the step on this is quite accurate. So you won't have to worry whenever you're going out like to exercise and so forth like that, because I've actually counted my steps and I can say that the accuracy of this right here is really accurate, because I have made like what 192 steps right here on the watch already, and I've actually counted them and come to right here, and yeah, it's really great. So if you're outside like this, jogging, running, exercise, you don't have to worry, because this watch right here is indeed gonna give you some great accuracy in terms of when you're out jogging and stuff like that. Very great watch, something that I really recommend. Alright, so it's about to rain right now, and thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, I see you guys in my next video. I gotta run.